Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Don't forget we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today the video is about Ford Escort RS 2000 and 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Back in 70s, this car was like a rock star on the streets. So what made this car so special? Well, it was a rally legend, as it is a special part of the Ford racing car, which is made into tiny die-cast car from the Hot Wheels. Before we get into the detail, let's unbox it. As it comes with the cool green color with the cool details like shiny headlights and the Ford logo, and can be seen the nose that dipped down in front. And it has a cool license number RS2000X and the detailed tail light. But it wasn't just about the looks. The RS2000 had a strong engine that could speed up super fast and go really quick up to 110 miles per hour. People love this car for its power and because it's won lots of races. And here's the cool part. The RS2000 wasn't just a car, it was a piece of history which was represented for the Ford racing. And guess what? Hot Wheels has made a tiny version of 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. It is a part of the new collection. It is a summer series, or you can say the spring series, for 2024. Before we dwell into the detail, let's unbox the Ford Escort RS 1600. It features a cool green color, a number 1 and the Hot Wheels logo. Additionally, there are the stripes in blue, pink and purple, and it has a cool detailed headlights that makes this die-cast car cool. Fast forward to today, and collectors still drool over RS 2000. It wasn't just fast, it was a piece of history that showed how simple and exciting car used to be. So that's the Ford Escort RS 2000 for you, a real classic car. And if you are interested to know more about the Ford Escort R, check out the JM on Cars. They have got reviews that dissect the RS 2000 performance, design, and why it was favorite among car enthusiasts. Link in description. So that's the end of today's video. Did you enjoy it? Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more. Already a part of Chill with Sabi community, thank you for support. Be sure to check out my other videos and share them with your friends. So let's grow this Chill with Sabi community together. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.